The Harshal Group began in 1998 with just 4 employees. Today, Harshal Electrical has more than 600 employees. Harshal Electrical Pvt Ltd is a dynamic and progressive company based in Surat, Gujarat. We have provided some major operational and maintenance services, AMCs, and turnkey projects to industries such as textile industries, port, logistic and shipyard industries, steel industries, utility industries, power industries and solar industries, petrochemical industries, pharma industries, oil and gas industries, plastic industries, hospital, school and commercials. We as a firm provide services like turnkey electrical and mechanical projects with design, annual maintenance contract, annual rate contract, operation and maintenance contract in various industries, retrofitting of HT, LT panel and circuit breakers, troubleshooting of any electrical HT, LT equipments, LT, HT electrical panel design and supply, electrical shutdown work in all industries, SCADA work in solar power plant, all types of electrical erection, testing and commissioning work, all types of electrical licensing work. Harshal Electrical Pvt Ltd also has authorized service centers of CNS Electric Limited since 14 years in South Gujarat and Mundra, Kutch. Some of our valuable clients are: we at Harshal Electrical have always believed that a dream becomes a goal when action is taken towards its achievement. March 2014, we won Best Safety Award from Adani Hazira Port Pvt Ltd. Best Project Working for Solar Power Plant at Mudhol, Karnataka. We also received Best Safety, Best Performance and Best Quality Award from Mahindra Susten at Jodhpur, Tamil Nadu. Recently, we were awarded Best Safety Award for Contractor Safety Management Evaluation by Tata Power Solar System Limited at Jodhpur, Rajasthan. We have built a close and supportive relationship with all our staff members, fostering a positive work environment where each member can reach their full potential. We are committed to quality, safety, and preserving the environment. Harshal Electrical Pvt Ltd.